Come harvest with me. Welcome back to my garden. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to all my new gardening family, and enough love to my faithful gardening family. I appreciate you all. A special shout out to my members. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So I'm getting these tomatoes. I have cherry tomatoes, I have beefsteak, I have hillbilly, and I have oxtart over there. So let me get the cherry tomatoes first. Lovely. Beautiful, isn't it? I have some scotch bonnet peppers over here. This one's small, but it has started to rhyme. One around here. Another one right here. Let's get this one down here as well. Let's see, I have 2 okras right here. Are there any more? Those are the only 2. These stink bugs, I tell you. Oh. No, I am so excited because my banana peppers over here, guys. Someone pointed out to me in my shorts that the banana peppers are saying, I see. Like, I get it. I see. I didn't even notice, but that's a good one. I see. Lovely. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. Wow, so beautiful. Before I forget, let us get this yellow pear tomato. It doesn't, oopsie. I had it on there waiting until I was going to do the harvest. Very cute. I think I have a few mulberries. Maybe two. So one right here. Uh-oh. This little one fell off. And this one. But I don't understand why this one fell off. And it's not ready. See another one over here. Alright, so I have a few sorrel over here. Maybe like 3. I am going to add to the others. Now I have some callaloo right here, or amaranth, that I want to get. So I'm going to get all of these. Look at that, guys. Stink bugs all over. So as usual, I'm not taking from the root. I'm just cutting off the branch so that will allow the plant to spring up back again. Alright, so there we go. Nice, lovely bundle of callaloo or amaranth. Feel free to hit the join button and become a GWS Family Elite. Yes, that's you. And thank you so much in advance. Also, don't be afraid if you're watching and you want to appreciate any of my videos, you can go ahead and drop me a donation of thanks. I will appreciate it. And thank you so much in advance. Also, you can support me by purchasing one of my books. Yes, my adult activity book on Amazon. The link is in my description. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, so man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is
I was